Assalamualaikum. Welcome to the Unbox Pro. In this video, I am going to tell you that how can you change your cutout of your phone. I mean, how can you change your notch or water drop of your phone. So please follow these simple steps in order to get your job done. So I want to ask you that if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please do subscribe, like, share the video. So let's proceed towards the video. First, we have to open our settings. Then we have to go to about phone. Now we have to click on bullet number 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, first we have to enter our password. So now developer option has been opened, so we have to locate our developer option in settings, advanced settings, developer option. Now we have an option to change our screen cutout design, notch, water drop. So we have to go down. Yeah, drawing. We have to come into the section drawing. So here's the option display cutout. You can change corner cutout, waterfall cutout. So you can also tall cutout. Yeah, so these are the simple steps which suggest that how can you change your cutout to your phone. If you don't like the water drop, you can turn this notch into something else, something other notch. So that was just these simple steps. Do these steps. So if you have not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe, like, share the video. We will meet you in next video with next tip and tricks. So thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.